رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. You are watching Samiullah Quran online classes. Inshallah, in this class, we are going to start Learn to read Quran with Tajweed with easy way. This course is designed for those peoples who did not learn Quran and if they read but not with Tajweed. So if you are interested to read Quran with Tajweed rules by yourself, so this course is for you. Before starting this course, if you didn't subscribe our channel, Samiullah Quran online classes, so please subscribe our channel to get all new videos notification. And remember, we are starting this course from the 30th chapter of the Quran and Surah number 114, Surah An Naas. So the first is how to start Quran reading. First we read A'udhu Billahi Minash Shaitanir Rajim. After that we read the name of the surah, then the type of the surah what is, then Bismillah, and after that we start. And also you must know how many chapters and surahs in Holy Quran. Remember, there are 30 chapters and 114 surahs in Holy Quran. Some surahs we call Makki and some surahs we call Madani. In the Quran, we have 86 Makki surahs and 28 Madani surah. Now you must know the difference between Makki and Madani surahs. Remember, the Makki surahs was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in Makkah, and the Madani surahs was revealed to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam after migration from Makkah to Medina. So now we will start. I will read first and you should practice after me and keep practicing. So remember, first we read A'udhu Billah, then the surah name, then Bismillah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. سورة الناس مكية. This is Makki surah. We read سورة الناس مكية. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل أعوذ برب الناس. So we are starting this colored Quran. In this Quran book, we have three basic colors. Like the green color, here you can see. The one here red color. And one more you have blue color. So remember, all the green letters we read with the bold sound. And in the red color letters, we make gunna sound. Gunna sound means like we make sound from nose 2 seconds. So let us start now. قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ النَّاسِ. So here the first word is قُل. Here qaf is in green color. And their lam has sukoon sign, so this qaf we join with the lam, we say qul. Keep remember, the all green color letters we read with the bold sound, as we read qul. And after that is a'udhu. The hamza and ain sound should be separate, like we say a'udhu, a'udhu. And ral we read with the soft sound. قل أعوذ قل أعوذ برب برب. Here ra we read with the bold sound because it has fatha on it and it's coming in green color, so this ra we read with the bold sound, as we read برب را برب. قل أعوذ قل أعوذ. Next, برب. Here the ra coming in green color, so we read with the bold sound. And the next ba has shad sign. The shad letter we read with the hard sound, like birabbin. And here noon coming with the shad sign. So whenever meme and noon comes with the shad sign, that time we make gunna sound, like we make sound from nose 2 seconds. Like we read birabbin nas. And here is alif madda in noon, because alif before coming fatha, so we straight the noon sound up to 2 seconds. برب الناس. برب الناس. قل أعوذ برب الناس. ملك الناس. ملك الناس. And here the meme and lam we don't straight because they are coming with harakat. And here noon coming again with shad sign. So we make gunna sound, and also the noon has alif madda, so we stretch it up to 2 seconds. So we read ملك الناس. إله الناس. And here the lam coming with standing fatha, so we stretch it up to 2 seconds, and in noon we make again gunna. إله الناس. إله الناس. من شر. In this noon we make ikhfa sound, like من شر. شر. And this ra we read with the light sound because it has kasra. من شر waswasil. waswasil. And here waw we stretch again because it has alif madda. من شر الوسواsil. And this sin we join with this lam because the lam coming with sukun. So we read من شر الوسواsil خناس. And here the kha we read with the bold sound because it is green color letter, and in noon we make gunna sound. خناس. من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس. الذي يوسوس. And here in dhal we have ya madda. So ya madda, whenever the ya sakin before comes kasra, it is the rule of ya madda, and we straight the madda letters up to 2 seconds. As we read الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس. في has again ya madda, we stretch it, and sudu sad with the bold sound, and in dal we have waw madda. So fi and do, this fa and this dal we stretch up to 2 seconds. في صدور الناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة. من الجنة والناس. الناس من الجنة والناس. Now we read all together. قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس. So Alhamdulillah, we read the Surah An Naas properly word by word with Tajweed. I hope you like this video. So you just practice this lesson properly, and inshallah in next video we will start Surah Al Falaq. Thank you for watching this video. If you didn't subscribe our channel Samiul Quran online classes, so please subscribe our channel and don't forget to like, comment and share with others. See you in next class. Take care. Have a good day. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Surah Falaq in next video.